Hello everyone, Kittens Maniac here, and today I'm talking about the weird thing that's been going around, that there are only 7 million people on Earth. And this all started when YouTubers started getting to 10 million and so, which is really good. That means that YouTube's getting really popular, but that means that some people think that there are only millions of people in the world when there's actually 7 billion. I've just decided to upload this video just so I can show those people, or tell those people, that there are 7 billion people on Earth, not 7 million. I can understand how it's confusing, but the thing is that after a while, you gotta realize that you've been saying 7 million instead of billion. So I just wanted to upload this video so it will all stop, because I just want to read my comments without having to waste half the time looking at the ones that are at the top because so many people are replying to them. And it's really annoying because so many people reply to these annoying comments, but it's only making it worse because they go to the top and they get a lot of attention. So people who are haters as well, they just say this stuff so they can get attention. That's what I think it mostly is. So when people make all of these hate comments, that means that they get a lot of attention. People don't like it. Well, most of them don't. But they reply to it saying, "Oh, you suck, this YouTuber is awesome." But that only makes it worse because they get a lot of attention. And the people who make the good videos, they get very sad because, they're being hated on. And I just want it all to stop. It's not right. We just want to have a nice, peaceful YouTube. If you want attention, the best thing to do is to just make a very funny comment, and hopefully people will reply, and not just funny comments, but useful ones as well, so people will be like, "Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. You should do that in your next video," and they'll agree with you. So, yeah, that's one way to do it. So, thank you all for watching. I hope this message got through to you. You spread the word, and yeah, just stop all this stupid stuff. Thanks for watching.